Okay, so to get to the brake pipe and brake cylinder, here's a little tip for you. It's a lot easier just to remove the shock lower mounting bolt. You'll need a 16mm spanner and a 17mm socket. So you just whip that off, push the bolt through. It's fine to do that. The vehicle won't collapse because it's sat on this enormous rubber bung. Pull the bolt out, push the shock up out the way on the damper. Look at that. Whoop, beautiful. And then you can get to the two nuts, 2 bolts, and also the brake pipe. And there's the bleed nipple as well. So the brake pipe is 10mm. Is that right, Dan?
Yep.
And the nuts there are
They're
10mm that hold the cylinder on. And the brake bleed nipple is 8mm.
Yep.
There you go. There's a little tip there. Save you a lot of time.